Hello everyone, welcome back to the IELTS vocabulary series by tracks. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 new words. The first word for today is racket. R-A-C-K-E-T. It means an illegal scheme to make money. You can construct a sentence like this one. The enormous return on investment made Hassan suspect that he was involved in a racket. The second word for today is upsell, which means persuade a customer to buy a more expensive product. A sentence like this one can be constructed by you. Relationship officer tried to upsell the client into a more costly package. The last and final word for today is low-hanging fruit. L-O-W, low, H-A-N-G-I-N-G, hanging, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. It means sales deals that are easier to close. A sentence like this one can be constructed by you. Abdullah focused on low-hanging fruit by persuading the customers who were repeat. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social media, and join tracks.